Good point.
Good point.
Good point.
Makes a good point.
Yeah, that's a good point.
We must be cautious.
Cautious. Good point.
I'm not a sexual deviant.
Good point.
Won't the syrup just freeze?
Good point.
Oh, boy, that is a good point.
I just wanted to say that I think Joan makes a good point.
How's he gonna score the winning goal if he's never in the game?
Good point.
Is that why there are no young men on the council? Good point.
Good point. Secure him in the meat locker. Now. Right now.
I'm not that desperate.
No, right. Of course. Fair enough. It's a good point.
Maybe you should run away more.
Good point. Thanks for the advice.
Happy to help.
Frankie, I can do this. What if I can't do this?
Then don't bother coming home.
Good point. All right.
Best to stay on dry land where it's safe. I'm about to be executed on dry land. Good point.
You don't want to look bad in front of your people, do you?
Good point.
And when I get back, I'll show you my casual, fun-loving side.
Who says I want kids?
I did.
That's a good point. Really, really good point. Oh.
Yes, those are all very good points. But consider this. I'd get to fly around like Iron Man.